Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of Suzuki's most iconic cars, the 2024 Suzuki Alto 800. Perfect for city dwellers, budget-conscious drivers, and anyone who appreciates a reliable, efficient ride. Let's see why the new Alto 800 is turning heads without breaking the bank. The 2024 Alto 800 sports a simple but refreshed look, perfect for urban landscapes. With its compact frame, it's ideal for weaving through tight city streets or snagging that rare parking spot in a crowded lot. Suzuki has kept the Alto 800's design true to its minimalist, practical roots while adding a few touches of modern flair. The slim, sleek headlights, subtly revamped grille, and refined body lines give it a modern vibe without being flashy. Available in several vibrant colors, from classic white to playful red, the 2024 Alto 800 has an appeal that feels fresh, friendly, and functional. Inside, the Alto 800 offers just the right mix of simplicity and functionality. Although compact, it's surprisingly spacious for a city car. There's enough legroom in both the front and rear seats to keep passengers comfortable on those city commutes. The dashboard layout is clean, featuring an easy-to-read speedometer and essential controls at your fingertips. Suzuki's choice of durable, no-fuss materials keeps maintenance easy and gives the interior a practical, fuss-free charm. And for a budget-friendly car, it comes with a few handy features. You'll find USB charging ports, power windows, and, on higher trims, a basic infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Now, let's talk performance. The 2024 Suzuki Alto 800 houses an efficient 0.8 engine under the hood. It's not built for racing, but it's zippy enough for city traffic and comfortable for short highway drives. What it may lack in raw power, it more than makes up for in fuel efficiency. Expect around 22 to 24 kilometers per liter. This means fewer stops at the pump and more savings for you. The Alto 800 offers a smooth, hassle-free driving experience with a light clutch and easy handling. Perfect for new drivers or anyone looking for a stress-free, city-friendly ride. The 2024 Suzuki Alto 800 stands out for its unbeatable affordability. Priced to be accessible, it's an ideal choice for first-time buyers or those seeking a secondary car. With low maintenance costs, impressive fuel economy, and a simple yet reliable design, it's proof that a quality ride doesn't have to cost a fortune. That's a wrap on our quick tour of the 2024 Suzuki Alto 800. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.